Today is a good day for us, and today we do remember the nation builders and founder of our country, due to whose struggle and sacrifice we got freedom. They have given a constitution which ensures the progress of the nation by keeping the people at center. We ensure that we will maintain the dignity of Parliament. We will present our views with dignity and develop in Parliament. Today is a good day. Today we do remember the creators and founder of our country and pay tribute to them. We will all stand in a silence for a short while before we begin our proceedings. I congratulate to all the members who have been elected for the 18th Lok Sabha. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you. I wish you all to success in your endeavors. Now I request the Secretary General to lay on the table a list of Hindi and English containing names of members elected for 18th Lok Sabha General Election 2024 submitted by the Election Commission.
Sir, I lay on the table a list Hindi and English version containing the elected members of 2024 submitted by the Election Commission of India.
Honorable members, on the name being called by Secretary General, the member may proceed from the place he or he is occupying to one of the podium place on either side of the speaker chair. Thereafter, he or she will sign on portfolio register. Now, Secretary General.
Srimati Vasuri Swaraj, elected from New Delhi constituency. Ma'am, in which language you would like to take oath? Sanskrit, please. अहं वासुरी स्वराजः यः लोकसभायाः सदस्यत्वेन निर्वाचितः ईश्वरस्य मैं चिराग पासवान जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूँ ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को ग्रहण करने वाला हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
Thank you, the Honorable Speaker, sir, to give me the opportunity to give chance. जय भारत, जय संविधान। Sir, this is not first time when ruling party attacks on constitution. Not first time. There are 41 paper leaks in 5 years and many types of laws made to break constitution. And इन्होंने तो सांसदों से ही बोल दिया कि हम संविधान बदल देंगे। सर, ये संविधान बदलने की बात कहाँ से आ गई? क्या ये लोग संविधान में नहीं रहना चाहते हैं? ये नया भारत बनाना चाहते हैं जिसमें सब अलग अलग रहें?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
quality to see. I, Mahua Moitra from All Indian National Trinamool Congress is present here to talk about the NEET duty scam which NTA has done and made many friends like NTA Chor Hai, We Want We Need and many others. So, my first question is directly to the Honorable Education Minister. Honorable Education Minister, I want to ask about your post because on your X account I can find nothing related to education. Are you really an education minister or not? All I can find is your leader name all over his X account. February to 16 March, which has been already extended twice. But after 1 month, sir, 1 month after, they reopened it for 2 days, saying we have reopened it for stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders we are talking about? Who are the stakeholders? Tell us please. Third question. Results are a whole scam. Now, let's start the result explanation one by one. First of all, results were released on the same day as Lok Sabha election results were released on 4th June 2024. What you want to hide? What you want to hide? BJP's miserable pay or your problematic results? Answer please, because you want to hide something that you have been trying to hide but you cannot hide. Next, upcoming, that 780, 790 marks which are not possible. Grace marks is the case. You say that grace marks have been provided to the students who have got time loss. Can't you provide 5 minutes extra to the students who have got time loss? And if you say that's a huge examination, we cannot provide extra time. Why did you provide grace marks? Let's follow 24 year students because we are also concerned for our students. Okay, so I would like to remind you the points which our government has taken. We are uploading the results later on. So, the Supreme Court, I want to complete my answer, please let me speak. So, the Supreme Court has ordered the NDA government to re-upload the NEET UG results 2024 sector-wise on its website to bring transparency, sir, to bring transparency. Secondly, my answer to the opposition party. We understand the opposition concerns and share their commitment to the welfare of 24 lakh students. We agree the NEET scam is not just affect the students but the entire nation future. The commitment to find a solution that prioritizes the needs of 24 lakh students. So our actions speak louder than the voice. We committed to deliver a fair solution. We will not let the politics get in the way of students' future. We will work collaboratively to find a solution. And meanwhile, what your government do in the NEET paper leak in 2013?
Respected Speaker, sir, in their question, they have asked us what about the future of the students of our country. So I want to tell that हमारी सरकार के द्वारा जो CBI है उसमें कई सारे केसेस रजिस्टर किए गए हैं. CBI इंक्वायरी 2 बैठाई गई है और इनकी डायरेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सीधे रिस्पेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट सर को सबमिट की जा रही है. और तो और मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा इनकी सरकार से कि राजस्थान में जहाँ UPA की गवर्नमेंट है वहाँ पर 1.5 दर्जन पेपर्स लीक हुए हैं. क्या इसके बारे में इन्होंने CBI को इन्फॉर्म किया? सर, इस बारे में इन्होंने कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन CBI को नहीं दी. और जो पेपर लीक हुए हैं उनके ऊपर जो 4 राज्य हैं उनके जो नए पेपर करवाए जाएंगे वो जुलाई के मंथ में कराए जाएंगे. इसकी ये रिपोर्ट है.
सबसे पहले मैं स्पीकर जी को धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी मुझे मौका देने के लिए. আমি ममता बनर्जी आज NTA से कुछ प्रश्न पूछना चाहूंगी. ये 24 लाख बजट पर सवाल है. मेरा पहला प्रश्न कि बच्चे सब 720 में से 719 और 718 मार्क्स ला कैसे रहे हैं जो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. आपल्या माता लोगोंनी आपला दुनिया पाए पर आपल्या माता अरोड़ा लोगे गेला देश की क्यों हो गई? मेरा दूसरा प्रश्न, एक ही सेंटर पर 7 टॉपर्स रोल नंबर 62 से लेकर 59 तक के 72 में से 72 मार्क्स आए हैं। कैसे? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल सर? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
Thank you to giving the mic for Honorable Speaker sir and Parliament members. Mr. Speaker sir, opposition not rejected by the voice of opposition. Our party progressing our country, but their party not our country. It is the march of March. I would like to explain the 70 year of rules. If we do anything 70 year of rules.
अपने उद्घोषण में पेपर लीक पर भी चिंता जताई है। मैं भी देश के हर विद्यार्थी को, देश के हर नौजवानों को यह कहूंगा कि सरकार ऐसी घटनाओं को रोकने के लिए और युद्ध स्तर पर भी हम इन घटनाओं को रोकने के लिए एक के बाद एक जरूरी कदम उठा रहे हैं। आदरणीय सभापति जी, नीट के मामले में पूरे देश में लगातार गिरफ्तारियां की जा रही हैं और युवाओं के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करने वालों को कतई छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। और मैं विरोधी पार्टी से अपील करना चाहूंगा कि वह युवाओं के भविष्य के साथ राजनीति ना खेलें और नीट एग्जाम को एक राजनीतिक हिस्सा ना बनाएं। ये मेरी आपसे अपील है।
खेल तो आपने किया है युवाओं के साथ सर, खेल तो आपने किया है।
राहुल गांधी बात करते हैं कि हम संविधान को बचा